other countries are benefited by different types of things. It may be the educational purpose, it may be the tourism, it may be the industrial purpose, of course the patents. What is the, this is the term of economy, patents, sorry, it is. And through globalization, the modern world is increasing with variously. Modern world is growing its power through various types of way.
What do you do when you are free? Means not giving any coaching or not doing any your own lessons. So what do you do in your free time? How do you pass your free time?
Listening songs and also watching television, and with my friends gossiping.
What kind of music you like?
I like to classical music and also the Rabindra Sangeet in Bengali. That is very like to me. And there are the modern songs. These are not likable to me. The various music is not likable to me.
Why don't you like modern songs?
Modern songs because they are like exaggerating way. The songs are exaggerating way. There is no sense. All are the not disliked, but some most of the songs are without any sense, just music. And in order to contribute ourselves in studies, the classical songs, and also they are full with thoughts, of course, and with thoughts with song, that is very truly nice to me.
Right. Okay, if I select you as a spoken English teacher, so what kind of classes are you going to organize in your classroom?
I want to increase the students' capability in speaking and interested themselves to speak it in English. Whenever they were trying to speak it, first of all, they always, though they are all Bengali students, they first of all try to speak it in Bengali. I always try to solve their pronunciation and always try to teach them to please speak it in English. If you try, you can do. Without tryness, you cannot fulfill your achievement. And I always try to speak them in
what is the condition
way.
What is the condition of India and economically presently? Do you think India is a poor country or rich country?
According to the world ratio, India is increasing its economical purposes, but India is not poor country to now. It is developing country now. Though it is not as developed as American or the South or the Western countries, but it is increases its economic condition. And therefore we have already learned from the newspapers, from the televisions, that India stands in a very
Okay, love marriage or arranged marriage, which is preferable to you?
It's a very shocking question. I think so that arranged marriage is preferable.
Why?
Because society can show the marriageable persons. They go to the marriage ceremonies. They can bless them. They also enjoy the program. Or with love marriage, in that purpose, the boys and girls, they decided and they just married. And in that case, whenever there are very difficulties in the love marriage also, parents does not accept them, and the difficulties start from that point.
Okay. So what is your plan for your future?
My future is that to be a man, of course. Swami Vivekananda's theory that to be and make, that theory is ideal to me, and in that purpose I want to be a man. Though I am man, but in ideal way, I seek some permanent job first of all. Then I want to.
If you become an educational minister in our state, so what kind of changes you will bring?
First of all, my first point is to increase the development of English language. Of course, there are I think and I saw also that there is some fault in the educational purpose in English, of course. Whenever students pass the Madhyamik exam, they just know to put out the answer from the topic and just write down. And whenever they are gone to HS and therefore go to the another studies, BA, BTech, therefore they have to contribute himself overall in English. If the capability will start from the Madhyamik stages, therefore student cannot find horror in it. And also I want to teaching method, of course. In the classes, teaching method must be debateful. We have learned that topic from class 11, that the school that I would like. It is very essential element. It is very beautiful example for everybody to us.
Okay, you are already teaching. Tell me, suppose a student doesn't have that much of confidence level. He thinks that I'm not able, I'm not good. So how will you develop his confidence level?
To increase his
আমার অন্য পথ মানে ওই বোর্ডটা পর্যন্ত একসঙ্গে যে
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
inspiration is the inspiration. I just
আমি তো ক্লাসের টাইমটাই বসে
inspiration is the mother of invention.
সাইন টাইম করছে তো
সব আমি করি
না মোলা ওর মতো বসতে হবে
ওরা বলুন
I always try to inspire him in various ways, and because his mind is the mind does all things. Yeah, if mind we can contribute our minds truly, then we shall give confidence, and the main way to give confidence is the inspiration.
You have to inspire the students.
Yeah, of course. How to
Okay.
speak.
Okay, fine, Tarun. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, Appa.
Okay, well then, I'll see for you, of course.